What's going on, people? This is your host, Donnie D with Sculpting Fit Bodies, healthy living expert, and certified fitness coach. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transform some vegetables into a French fry. Yes, you heard that correctly. I'm going to take some green beans and some asparagus, and I'm going to use the Power Fryer XL to transform that texture with some cornmeal and some herbs and seasonings to make it taste like something that you would actually want to eat to either get fit or stay fit. Let's get started. All right, guys, so this is my favorite part of the video, the time to actually taste the food that I cooked. All right, so I'm gonna grab one of these guys here. All right, and it's just coated very well. Pick up the texture on there. All right, we're gonna, very good. Nice flavorful veggie, nice crunch on the cornmeal. I'm tasting the herbs and the seasoning, nice amount of salt. Asparagus is really good, thumbs up there. I tried one of the green beans, nice textural component there, nice dip. Double thumbs up, both taste really good. The dipping sauce, so I made this dipping sauce. I worked with some Greek yogurt, some ketchup. I put in a couple other spices, some garlic and smoked paprika, and a couple other things. So if you're interested in having a recipe for this dipping sauce, let me know in the comments section. If you found this video informative, you learned something, you like what we're doing on the channel, make sure you hit the thumbs up. That helps the channel a lot. That helps us grow. And the more we grow, the better content we can put out. So hit that thumbs up, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and also sharing this video goes a long way as well. If you would like somebody to see this video, share with everybody in your phone book. We definitely appreciate that. As always, this is Donnie D with Sculpting Fit Bodies. Much love, much respect. Stay peaceful until next time. I'll check you guys later. Peace.